What is up everybody? Good morning to all of you. So for today's video ay pupunta tayo sa Cainta para sa logo project ng isang Zumba or basketball something gym. And kasama nga pala dito sa video na to yung ginawa namin kahapon. Konting clips lang yun. So kayo na bahala musga. Medyo busy kasi kaya di masyado nakapag-vlog pero silo ako. Let's go! Airplane!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Hi guys, we're back again. This is the Mural Boys project. Let's go.
Anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Ngayon kayo magsitawanan.
Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's living in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want.
Okay guys, matatapos na.
In the better days, living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror and he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just give me up. Don't be crack. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack.
Hoy, saan kayo maglayas?
I'm
itong nilalang mo.
Anong gupit gusto mo, sir?
Nasa mo po.
Anong gupit gusto mo?
Gipot.
Ay!
Huwag mo mapakan ng tsinelas yung ano.
Sana si...
Eh, kala kasi practice lang kuya.
Ay,
Totoo na. Pero maganda yun. Mga bago pala sa channel. Ay, mga ganun ka na.
Paano tulong tayo? Pindutin mo ulit. Na-record yung mga sinabi niya.
Hindi, okay lang yan. Kakat na lang na.
Ayan. Time check, guys. 7:10 PM. Pauwi na kami from Cainta to Gate 1. Guys, awan Diyos, natapos na naman namin ang panibagong project. May panibagong client na naman na natuwa dahil sa aming obrang malupit na art na naman dahil sa teamwork at sa aming team leader na malupit. Kahit pagod ng lahat ay ayun, ayos pa rin, natapos pa rin namin. Kaya guys, huwag kayong magsasawa, magsubaybay sa aming mga videos. Kung napadaan ka lang sa aming channel
Ay, Ken! Naka-block.
ako na yan, invention para ano yan,
Magda-normal yan mamaya.
Kung bago lang kayo sa aming channel, huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe. Pindutin yung link sa baba, makikita yan. At follow nyo kami para makita nyo yung aming mga ibang videos.
Di ba makikita yung mag-subscribe?
Okay guys, tandaan nyo at abangan ang aming mga susunod pang mga panabing at mga exciting na mga travel.
Init na tagpo. Matatalo kaya nila Eugene.
Okay guys, see you next video.